Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete profile on Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So here I'm using an Android device. So I'm going to teach you according to Android device. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just go to your Netflix and then log in with your account, and then you'll be over here in this particular platform. So from here, where you need to go is go all the way to your top right corner. You find this pencil like option, which is your edit profile option. Just go over here and then choose the profile that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this kids one, so I'm going to go with the kids one, and then you'll be having this delete profile option over here all the way down. Just press on it and then confirm it, and then the profile will be deleted like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.